Hello everyone, my name is Jewel. Welcome to Jewel's Food and Garden. Today, I'll be making my version of Jamaican curry chicken. Let's go. These are the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make my curry chicken today. All-purpose chicken seasoning, turmeric, curry powder, seasoned salt, black pepper, pimento seeds, Himalayan salt, carrots, potato, onions, garlic, Scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, bell peppers, scallion, and thyme, and for sure, the chicken. My chicken of choice today is leg and thigh. And when I purchase it at the supermarket or at the store, I asked them to clean it. However, their version of cleaning and mine is two different things. So right now, I'm gonna, do the finishing touch on my chicken, and also I'm gonna also cut them a little smaller, because when I'm doing my curry chicken, I usually have it cut them a little smaller. I also wash my chicken with the apple cider vinegar, and sometimes I put a little lemon juice in there, but today I opted not to do that. But I think the vinegar is good enough, And I take the skin of the chicken off, because I think it's much more healthier that way. So I just practice not to cook my chicken or fix my chicken with the skin. I take it off of it. Okay, I finished cleaning my chicken, and I'm giving it the last washing, because I am very big on washing my meat. So before I even cut it up, I'm washing it. Can take another. So now I'm gonna cut them a little smaller before I season them. So, like for example, this leg, usually I just cut it in two. So, but this leg is big, so I can do three. You can cut your chicken the way you wanted it, because some people like it big, like in normal portions, but I like it smaller. So I tend to cut them and let them get that. You can feed more people when you cut smaller. It's a big leg. End of the cut. Okay, I'm cutting my vegetable. I'm not gonna cut them small, because keep it simple. Keep it real simple. Okay, I'm not going to cut the pepper, and I'm not going to cut the thyme. It's going to leave it aside like that, and then finish my. Not a lot of vegetable today, my scallion. Just a reminder that they're all pre-washed. So and yeah, they all will be going in the pot at the same time. This is my ginger. Now my fave, garlic. They're all gonna be going in the pot at the same time, so it's no need to separate them. Okay. Now this is my carrots and my potato. These two will be going in the pot together, so that's the reason why I separated them. And the reason why they're in the water is because I want to maintain the color, because especially the potato, when it gets peeled and not in water, it will get a different color. So in order for me to maintain the original color, then I place it in the water, because I don't want a brown looking potato, which is here. I'm gonna dice them like big, because I don't want it to dissolve in the curry, stew. That's it. This can set aside. Now, okay. Now I'm gonna season my chicken. I'm gonna put a few peppers, pimento season it. Okay, and my salt. I think this is enough salt. Black pepper. My black pepper. My seasoned salt. My chicken season, all-purpose chicken season. A little of my turmeric. Okay? And usually I don't place my curry powder on my meat. And I did my curry goat like that a few weeks ago or a few months ago, and I got a lot of comments regarding how do I season my curry, whatever meat, with the curry. It's okay to place it on your meat. It's okay to burn it in the pot. Whatever way seems right to you, then please go ahead and do it, because it's just a choice for someone to make, and it's not that it's good or it's bad. You can do whatever pleases you. So therefore, today, I'm not gonna put my curry on my meat. I'm gonna put it in the pot and just stir it around with a little ginger and a little garlic, and just, that's it. But it's not Bible that we have to place it in the pot or put it on the meat before cooking. It's just one's choice. I just want to get that clear. Thank you. Let's start cooking. Yeah, I'm washing my hands before I rub the meat, because some people prefer to wear gloves when seasoning their meat, but I opted not to because that's my choice. I rather to use my bare hand to get it done. So it's like, again, I said, it's your choice. Whatever you feel is best for you, then go ahead and do it. And this is the way I'm going to do my meat today. Roll it up. Okay. And I'm going to put this aside for maybe 15-20 minutes to marinate, and then I'm going to come back and have it start cooking. So this is olive oil, which I love to use. So now I'm going to bring the blazes, and so I just want to get out a little before I pour the curry in there. Okay. I'm placing burning the curry. I think this is the process of burning. I call it burning the curry powder. So I think that's enough. And I'm just going to drop a little bit of the turmeric in it as well. So here, and then I'm going to like this, and you turn it or stir it or whatever you may call it until it's get a darker shade. Then you know that it's not in its raw form or state. Then it becomes darker. I'm gonna put a little of my my ginger and my scallion, a little onion in there. Just to give it this nice aroma. And I'm gonna place my chicken in there. Okay, I'm gonna place my chicken in one by one. And although they attach together right now, when at the finishing process, then they will be separated. So everything is in there. Stir it around before I cover it, and I'm going to put it on a low heat for it to generate its own juice, because usually if you turn it down low, then it will create its own water. Now I'm going to put the rest of my season in there. I'm tasting it. I think it's fine. I'm going to put the rest of my season in there, like this. And my carrots canned potato. Distribute it in. Need a piece more time and there. Not a lot of put in here. I'm also going to put a little parsley. Just a little garnishment up here, you know. And my thyme is frozen, but it will do the same work as the unfrozen one. Oh. Let me just pick up a little piece. That's good. So this should be fine. Next time we return to take a look at it, should be good. Okay, so I'm gonna give it about 10 minutes and come back and see the result. Ta-da! See you! Okay, so this is the final step of my curry chicken, and this is finished, and hot pepper here. Taste again. It is delicious. Trust me when I said it's delicious. It's delicious. This would be good with white rice, rice and peas, ground provision like yam, banana, dumpling, roti. Everything can be what can be added or joined or combined with this curry chicken. Is very, very good. Tasty, delicious. The aroma is great, and everything about it is good. It's soft, not too soft, not too hard, just right. Perfect. That's it. This is the finished product of my version of Jamaican curried chicken. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please like and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon!